Ever scroll through Amazon and feel buried under a million gadgets that look cool but don't actually help? You're not alone. That's why in this video, we cut through the noise and bring you 20 gadgets from Amazon that will truly change how you live in 2026. Not just flashy tech, but real tools people are using every day to get more done, stay organized, feel more comfortable, and make life easier. From smart home upgrades and productivity boosters to clever essentials worth keeping in your routine. These picks aren't just trending, they solve problems and make a difference. So if you're ready to upgrade your space, your habits, or just your daily convenience, let's dive into the game-changing gadgets ahead. XIU Wireless Charger. The XIU Wireless Charger is a sleek, high-performance gadget priced at $79, perfect for Apple enthusiasts seeking speed and convenience. Utilizing advanced Qi 2.2 technology, it delivers up to 25 watts fast charging, powering an iPhone 17 Pro to over 50% in under 30 minutes. Its 3-in-1 design simultaneously charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, reducing clutter and simplifying your routine. Crafted from foldable aluminum, it's durable, stylish, and travel-friendly, making it ideal for both your desk and on-the-go use. A true blend of efficiency and design. WUBEN G5. The WUBEN G5 is a compact and versatile flashlight priced at just $20, making it a must-have for everyday carry. Don't let its small size fool you. It produces up to 400 lumens with an 82-meter beam, ideal for camping, repairs, or emergencies. Its dual light system offers bright white illumination and colorful RGB modes, while the rotating head, magnetic base, and clip provide convenient hands-free use. With fast USB-C charging and an IP65 waterproof rating, this pocket-friendly gadget combines practicality, durability, and smart design in one. TRZLIFE Desk Vacuum Cleaner. The TRZLIFE Desk Vacuum Cleaner is an affordable and practical Amazon gadget priced at $14, perfect for keeping your workspace clean with minimal effort. Compact and cordless, it offers strong suction to tackle crumbs, dust, and keyboard debris, and comes with an extra nozzle for hard-to-reach gaps. Powered by simple AA batteries, it's portable and easy to use anywhere. With its sleek design, one-button operation, and included replacement filter, this vacuum is a convenient, gift-worthy desk essential for home, office, or study spaces. Solis Edge. The Solis Edge is a high-end Amazon gadget priced at $200, designed for travelers seeking fast, reliable internet anywhere. Equipped with 5G and Wi-Fi 6, it delivers speeds far beyond traditional 4G, with no SIM card or contract required. Its lifetime data bundle adds exceptional long-term value, while the lightweight, pocket-sized design ensures multi-day battery life. Covering over 140 countries and featuring smart signal scan technology, the Solis Edge is perfect for globetrotters, RV adventures, and road trips, offering seamless connectivity wherever you go. BoxLegend V3 Shirt Folder. The BoxLegend 5 3 Shirt Folder is a clever Amazon gadget priced at $17 that makes folding laundry fast and effortless. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly materials, it allows you to fold shirts neatly in just 4 simple steps, producing uniform, space-saving stacks. Versatile enough for t-shirts, dress shirts, jeans, and towels, it keeps your wardrobe organized and clutter-free. Lightweight and foldable, it stores easily or fits in luggage, making it an ideal tool for tidy homes and stress-free travel. A must-have for efficient laundry routines. Nelko Label Maker Machine. The Nelko Label Maker Machine is a compact and affordable Amazon gadget priced at $18, ideal for home, school, or office organization. This Bluetooth-enabled, ink-free thermal printer connects seamlessly to your phone, producing crisp 203 DPI labels without the need for toner. Pocket-sized and rechargeable, it's portable and easy to use anywhere. With a variety of fonts, templates, and creative options in its app. Labeling shelves, containers, and supplies becomes quick, fun, and professional looking. A practical and versatile tool for keeping any space organized. Mug Warmer. The Mug Warmer is a practical and affordable Amazon gadget priced at $22, perfect for keeping your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at the ideal temperature. With adjustable settings of 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and 176 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures your drink stays just the way you like it. The large heating plate accommodates most mugs, while safety features like auto shut-off, timer control, LED display, and UL certification provide peace of mind. Compact and stylish, it's an essential desk companion for work, study, or relaxing at home. HUOTO Portable Charger. The HUOTO Portable Charger is a compact and convenient Amazon gadget priced at $18, designed for Apple Watch users on the go. Its 1,200 mAh built-in battery provides 1 to 1.5 full charges, while magnetic alignment ensures easy, hassle-free wireless charging. Mini and keychain friendly, it's perfect for travel or everyday carry. Safety features including overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and overheating protection make it worry-free, and the included Type-C cable adds extra convenience. Reliable, portable, and thoughtfully designed, the HUOTO charger keeps your Apple Watch powered wherever life takes you. Magnetic Wireless Charger. The Magnetic Wireless Charger is a versatile Amazon gadget priced at $27, designed to charge multiple Apple devices effortlessly. This 3-in-1 foldable station powers iPhone 12 to 17 series, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously, with fast MagSafe charging up to 30 to 35% quicker than standard pads. Compact, portable, and travel-friendly, it folds neatly for easy on-the-go use. Equipped with safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, short-circuit protection, and foreign object detection, it ensures worry-free charging, making it a practical everyday desk accessory or thoughtful gift for Apple users. HOZO NeoRulerGO Digital Tape. The HOZO NeoRulerGO Digital Tape is a cutting-edge tool priced at $60, perfect for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, and tech lovers. Compact and lightweight, it measures straight lines, curves, cylinders, and uneven surfaces with plus or minus 1 mm precision. With 93 built-in scales, adjustable units, and a laser-guided system, it handles a wide range of projects effortlessly. Its LCD display supports left and right-hand use, while the Bluetooth-enabled app lets you transfer measurements and export to CAD. Sleek, versatile, and accurate, it's an essential gadget for precision on the go. JOREST 32-in-1 Screwdriver. The JOREST 32-in-1 Screwdriver is a versatile Amazon gadget priced at $13, ideal for DIYers and tech enthusiasts. Its compact, lightweight design features a hidden handle that stores 32 durable S2 steel bits, keeping everything organized. The magnetic tips hold screws securely, while the included spudger adds extra functionality. With Phillips, flathead, Torx, pentalobe, and hex bits, it's perfect for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other precision devices. Portable, precise, and practical, this screwdriver set is a must-have for quick, reliable, everyday repairs. NICGOL, Natural Gas Leak Detector. The NICGOL Natural Gas Leak Detector is a dependable Amazon gadget priced at $37, ideal for homes, RVs, and workspaces. This 4-in-1 device detects natural gas, carbon monoxide, temperature, and humidity, delivering instant alerts through sound and flashing lights. Its clear LCD display, energy-efficient operation, and compact design make monitoring simple and convenient. Quick to respond and highly accurate, it ensures safety for families, travelers, and anyone mindful of gas hazards. Reliable, versatile, and practical, it's an essential tool for maintaining peace of mind wherever you go. Metal 4 Pack Magnetic Spice Storage. The Metal 4 Pack. Magnetic Spice Storage is a clever Amazon kitchen gadget priced at $17, designed to save space without sacrificing style. Made from rust-proof metal, each rack attaches securely to your refrigerator, oven, or other magnetic surfaces using strong, durable magnets. They hold a variety of spice jars, keeping them within easy reach while freeing up cabinet space. Lightweight yet sturdy, the racks are easy to move or adjust, creating a tidy, organized kitchen setup. Perfect for small kitchens, they combine practicality with sleek design. Robot Pet Dog. The Robot Pet Dog. Luna is a high-tech Amazon gadget priced at $500, combining companionship with advanced robotics. Equipped with a high-definition RGB camera, Luna recognizes faces, reads gestures, and follows you just like a real puppy. Its AI, powered by ChatGPT and Amazon Lex, responds to voice commands for natural, interactive conversations. The Auto Recharge 2.0 system ensures it returns to its dock effortlessly, while mobile hotspot connectivity lets you engage with Luna from anywhere. Smart, playful, and lifelike, it's a futuristic companion for tech lovers. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. The LISEN Retractable Car Charger is a handy Amazon gadget priced at $17, perfect for keeping devices charged while on the move. It features dual USB ports and retractable Type-C and Lightning cables, allowing up to 4 devices to charge simultaneously with intelligent power distribution. The 180-degree rotating, shock-resistant design ensures stability in cars, trucks, or on rough roads, while its compact, weatherproof build minimizes clutter. Ideal for daily commutes or long road trips, it's a practical, reliable, and thoughtful accessory for any driver. Zacurate Pro Series 500DL. The Zacurate Pro Series 500DL is a reliable Amazon gadget priced at $23, designed for accurate blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. It provides precise SpO2 and pulse readings in just 10 seconds, displayed clearly on a large LED screen, even showing full 100% SpO2 values. The Smart Spring finger chamber fits most users aged 12 and up, making it perfect for athletes, hikers, or anyone health conscious. Compact and travel friendly, it comes with batteries, a silicone cover, and a lanyard, plus a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer. The Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer is an eco-friendly Amazon gadget priced at $17, designed to keep your fridge fresh with minimal effort. Utilizing CH-cut catalytic decomposition technology, it neutralizes odors at the source while helping food stay fresh longer. Crafted from durable SUS 304 stainless steel, it's compact, stylish, and completely chemical-free, requiring no power and creating no mess, with a lifespan of up to 10 years. Perfect for refrigerators, freezers, drawers, or even travel, it's a practical, long-lasting, and thoughtful gift for anyone who values a clean, odor-free kitchen. Amazon Echo Spot. The Amazon Echo Spot is a sleek Amazon gadget priced at $80, blending a smart alarm clock with full Alexa functionality. Its customizable display shows the time, weather, and music details, while crisp, vibrant sound delivers clear vocals and rich bass. Effortlessly control smart home devices, set routines, or stream music and podcasts. Designed with privacy in mind, it features mic-off controls and multiple safeguards. Compact, stylish, and efficient, the Echo Spot offers a convenient, connected, and intelligent addition to any modern home setup. Nekteck Shiatsu Foot Massager. The Nekteck Shiatsu Foot Massager, available on Amazon for $90, is a premium gadget crafted to soothe tired feet and promote overall wellness. It features 3 massage modes: deep kneading shiatsu nodes, adjustable air compression, and soothing infrared heat to target key pressure points. The air compression improves circulation, while the removable washable foot sleeves maintain hygiene. Ideal for plantar fasciitis or long days on your feet, this massager delivers customizable comfort, durability, and convenience, making it a must-have for anyone seeking a relaxing, at-home foot massage experience. RENPHO Body Measuring Tape. The RENPHO Body Measuring Tape, Available on Amazon for $25, is a smart and convenient tool for tracking fitness or body changes. Featuring a large LCD screen and app connectivity, it automatically records measurements and charts progress over time. Its retractable Easy Lock hook enables solo use, while the double-sided tape displays both inches and centimeters. Compact, portable, and user-friendly, it supports multiple profiles, making it perfect for individuals, families, or trainers who want accurate, hassle-free body measurement tracking anytime, anywhere, with reliable precision and convenience.